All right, me again. Got another quick airplane update. So I'll flip the phone around and show you what I've got. Big thing being a lot of wing stuff. So we got the jury struts primed and painted, and then the steel parts of the front and rear struts primed and painted. And you can see this wing is still up on stands, and right now I have it moved away from the airplane because I needed to rivet all that stuff on and figure out all of this, which is fuel feed line, fuel vent line, a pitot tube, static tube, wiring for the light, and wiring for the fuel sender. All have to fit through this tiny little spot. And you can see I marked out between the top wing skin, the bottom wing skin, and then this metal part inside, and then the top longeron. That's all the room there is. So for those washers and stuff to fit for the fuel penetration, obviously it's going to come down below that bottom skin. So I'm going to have to make a cutout on the bottom of the wing. I kind of have it measured out like that, and I'm going to put a little access panel there, and I can show you on the other side kind of what that cutout looks like. So here we are at the passenger wing area. And it doesn't have quite as much to go through, basically just fuel feed line, fuel vent line, wiring for the lights, and a wire for the fuel sender. But anyway, I went ahead and cut that out. So that's what the cutout will look like for the wing access. And then I just have to build the panel that actually covers it up. I haven't fully riveted, the top of this skin on yet, so I can get to it from above. And then I haven't, riveted this interior part on yet either, that inboard wing skin. That'll probably be like one of the last things to do. My question is, I have a little bit of a gap here. I had to trim this, and then by the time I got it straight, it left a little bit of a gap. So I don't know whether I ought to put a little strip of rubber or something through there in the gap between the wing and the fuselage. The other thing is I didn't rivet this yet. You can see it in here, but anyway, this panel, because I'm running a bunch of wires and such through it, and I want to be able to get it off and on a little bit more. The problem being, once the wing is on, you can't really get to these top, let me roll this out of the way, those top two rivets. With my cutout, I'll be able to get to them, but I'm gonna have to pull that aft wing connect bolt to pull that rivet. But I can't put that rivet in until I'm done taking this panel on and off. Let's see, I don't know if we got anything else done here. Tail's still waiting for elevator cables. And then the highlight for the day, let me back out here. Well, a couple of highlights. Number one, prop. So I got the prop put on. And then number two, just today, I bolted the wing on with the struts and the jury struts. So the wing is under its own weight right now. So now I still have to do this one. But that's where we stand. Then I gotta finish up a bit of wiring still. And then I can get the glare shield, and once I get the glare shield, then I can do the door frames, and then the doors, and the million other things, cowling, and there's a lot left. Thanks for watching.